Hello, Darin Martineau from Master Magic University. And in this video, I'm going to perform for you what's called the Better Magician, a routine by Leech. So I have the four aces. I'm going to place the four aces in the pack, four in four separate, four different places, as you can see. Going in. Okay, four aces are in fact in separate places. Now I'm just going to give them a little shuffle here. Shuffle them in. Give the cards a cut. And I'll give the cards a couple cuts here. And I'm going to deal the cards out to some poker hands. 4 card guts. Now, let's see what we got here. Well, we didn't get an ace. We got a king here. There's a king number 1, a king of hearts. There's king number 2, king of clubs. King number 3, king of diamonds. Diamonds the girl's best friend. And the last king. Oh, we got an ace. We got an ace. It looks like we messed up. I'll show you what happens when magicians make a mistake. We're going to take the ace. We're just going to wave it around like this. Give it a flick. And magically, the 4 bullets are back. So that is called the Better Magician. If you'd like to learn that, click on the link and join Master Magic University now. And please like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to get free magic video tutorials, click on the link, put in your name and email, and verify your email, and I will get you on the Master Magic University newsletter, where I will send you free magic video tutorials and so much more. Thank you very much. Keep it surreal.